Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make the easiest things in the world, which is also the hardest things in the world. Why I say easy? Because it's really easy. I'm just going to make stir-fry economy beehoon. It's a very simple dish. I don't even have any other ingredient with me. No veggie, no nothing. Very simple. But if you don't do it correctly, your beehoon will break totally. So I'm going to teach you how to make sure your beehoon doesn't break during stir frying, and also your beehoon will become super springy. Just for the sake of clarity, these are the sauce condiment I'm going to use. Light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or you should be able to see the link in the YouTube video. This is the white pepper, and this is some fried onion. First of all, we need to prep the beehoon. Prepare 1 pot of boiling water. Then we put your beehoon inside and we cook it for about 60 seconds. Exactly 60 seconds. No, nothing more, nothing less. That's the first step. So it will be good if you have a timer. One reason why I like to use electric stove, because it has a timer. So let's try to loosen up the beehoon. I got 2 pieces here, good for 2 adults. My wife is not eating at home today. I'm only cooking for me and my mother-in-law, and I have some very beautiful curry chicken. So we're going to eat this with curry chicken, my most favorite combination. This is coming to, I think, about 40 or 50 seconds already. Then you get ready a big bowl at the side and a cover. Right, now this is 60 seconds. Let me zoom out. And we are going to take out the beehoon and put it into the bowl or pot. So this is like 80% cooked, and you cover it with a lid. By doing so, the residual heat inside the beehoon just now will continue cook through the beehoon. Right, then we prepare a wok, give it a little bit of vegetable oil. And I changed my mind a bit. I decided to add a little bit of, this is costly chopped heavy. Let's saute the costly chopped heavy for a minute. Meanwhile, I'm going to quickly do something. This is a Caesar. I'm going to do 1 cut here, just to make it easier to stir fry shortly. Why I need to make it easier to stir fry? Because one of the things to keep everything in shape is don't stir fry for too long. If you don't want to stir fry for too long, then you have to make it easier to stir fry. Alright? Alright, this is after about 1 minute plus sauteing the heavy. I'm going to put in some water. Not too much. Now tune down to lowest heat. Let's give it a little bit of light soya sauce, some dark soya sauce, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, some fine salt, few dashes of white pepper, and I'm going to give it some fried shallot. Now I'm going to raise the heat to medium high. I can hear my steamer is ready. I was heating up my curry chicken. Right, once this sauce is ready, we can now put in the beehoon. Actually, now you can already feel the beehoon is very springy. So now the thing, like I mentioned earlier, don't fry it for too long. Don't stir fry it for too long. The longer you stir fry, the easier it will break. See, now it's much easier for me to stir fry because just now I cut it into half. So now all we need to do is just make sure the sauce is nicely absorbed into the beehoon. I can feel the texture. Exactly what I wanted. Yeah, very springy. Alright, see, all the sauce has been soaked up. This is why I'm telling you, don't put too much sauce. If too much sauce, the beehoon can become soggy. You don't want that. Done. Our fried beehoon, our fried economy beehoon is ready, and let me tell you, this is super springy. Right, here's my very simple. Look at how it toing. It is very springy, and it doesn't break. Right, so it is a very simple, also a very tough dish. So if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.